Good day, everyone. I am John Enrico Guzman, and now I'm giving you a little introduction of our system. Kapitan Coffee Shop is a small but popular cafe located at the Valley Mall food court along Sumulong Highway, right, right besides Fatima University Medical Center and the university. The shop offers affordable drinks, enjoyable by doctors, nurses, teachers, and students, and marami pang iba. Because Kapitan is getting more customers every day, it has become harder to track sales using the manual method. Mistake can happen, and it takes more time to finish orders. To solve this, we created a web-based point of sales system with a thermal printer and SMS notification. This system helps the shop processes orders faster, I think. Kasi sa system namin mas nagiging mapadali yung ginagawa ng mga staff kasi sa system namin parang ano na siya, parang siyang general na eh. Like, parang sobrang dali na lang para sa staff na gawin ang mga trabaho nila. And siguro to avoid mistakes and send updates to the customers, yun nga, sa SMS notification yon para para mal, para malaman na rin kasi ng mga customers kung ready na yung mga nila, yung mga like drinks nila. And and also it helps to stop, save time, and focuses on the better service. In this video, we will show you the system works, how it can improve Kapitan daily operation, and how it can help the business grow and make better decision. A web-based point of sales management system with thermal printer and SMS notification. Presented by Valencia Dominic Gabriel DG, our leader, Soldabilia Jose Roy B, assistant leader, De Guzman Jan Enrico, and that's me, and I am developer and designer one. Basically, I am the one who took the documents, and Pineda Aldrich Hans R, developer 3, and technical writer 2. And lastly, Benigno Edsel B, our designer number 2. Presented to College of Computer Study, Our Lady of Fatima University, Antipolo campus. Good day, everyone. And for the next, may I call Edsel Benigno for SOP.
Sel Benigno, and I will discuss to you the statement of the problem. I will explain the general problem, specific problem, and objective of the study. So, I discussed the first, the general problem. So, Capitan Coffee Shop encounters several operational challenges. One key issue is inaccurate sales reporting, stemming from the reliance on manual methods, which leads to errors and efficiencies in tracking sales and managing inventory. So, si Capitan Coffee Shop is maraming na-encounter na challenges since nagsimula sa kanilang business. So, one key issue is the inaccurate sales reporting. So, every time na they have a sales reporting in daily, in weekly, in monthly, and yearly, uh, nagkakaroon na ng inaccurate kasi there are times na merong bumibili sa kanila na customer, but every time na nagka-counting sila ng sales is hindi tugma doon sa mga nasusulat nila sa mga reports nila. So, pangalawa, there's the stemming from the reliance on manual methods. So, they usually use the manual method or the traditional way na in reporting of their sales. So, possible na nagkakaroon sila ng error and inefficiencies for tracking sales and in their inventory. So, additionally, the absence of the automated SMS notification. So, there are the customers na uh, uh, ini binabalikan nila yung product na nabili nilang product kay kapitan to actually wait. So kapitan is no they need the SMS they have a problem that there's no SMS notification to inform the customer na their orders are ready. So this results in delayed service, ultimately diminishing customer satisfaction and negatively impacting the overall customer experience. So next, I will discuss to you the specific problem. The first specific problem is time-consuming manual sales procedure. So, in manual sales procedure, it's time-consuming kasi it's manual and it you you do it one by one. So it's possible there have an errors and disparities in daily income reporting. So, second, lack of real-time management system. Absence of real-time sales and inventory management system limits the ability to make data-driven decisions, thereby decreasing operational performance. So, wala silang real-time sales. Hindi nila nakikita kung anong sales na pumapasok sa kanilang inventory or sa kanilang business. And third is no SMS notification system. So, like I said in the general problem part, they have no SMS notification system that can inform the customers kung ready na nilang kunin ang kanilang orders. So, third objective of the study, the general objective of our group to Kapitan is to create a deploy a web-based point of sale management system with thermal printer and SMS notification for Kapitan Coffee Shop, aimed at enhancing sales transactions and order processing while minimizing errors and improving overall business performance. So, specific objectives: develop an automated POS system, create a POS system that efficiently manages sales transactions. So, we do ang objective namin is we do an POS system for kapitan to minimize the errors and hindi mahirapan ang owner na magtingin sa sales nila. So, second, establish a secure database system. So, set up a comprehensive database that securely stores sales and inventory data for easy access and analysis. So, uh, we establish a database system that easily records the sales and inventory data. Third, integrate SMS notification functionality. So, in this third specific objectives, SMS notification functionality, we want to create the SMS notification functionality to make customer satisfaction and to easily notify the customers if their orders are ready. And fourth is create a user-friendly interface. So design the system with intuitive interface to ensure ease of use for Kapitan Coffee Shop employees. So we create a user-friendly interface para hindi mahirapan ang Kapitan Coffee Shop employees and easily to understand or easily to use. That's all. Thank you.
For the scope of the study, this study focuses on developing and implementing a web-based point-of-sales management information system for Kapitan, the retail store being evaluated. The main goal is to make sales transactions more efficient, generate detailed sales reports, and print receipts using a thermal printer. The system will also include an SMS notification system feature to help keep customers informed whether it's confirming a purchase, sharing promotions, or sending other relevant updates. For the limitation of the study, this study has few limitations to take note of. First, since the system is web-based, it depends on a stable internet connection. Any interruption in connectivity can affect how sales are processed, which could cause delays or disruptions. Secondly, the SMS notification feature is limited to sending purchase confirmations only. It won't include more advanced notifications like order updates or inventory alerts for customers. Lastly, the system requires specific hardware to function properly. For instance, using a thermal printer for transaction, receipts may limit your options when it comes to choosing compatible equipment for the terminal.
Good day, everyone. So I'm gonna be presenting our system for our project SIAA. So here's our login page where our admin needs to log in. So if our admin wants to add more user or staff will be using this POS, they just have to sign up here. And as you can see, you just have to add your credentials and it will automatically, all of that information will go into our database. So if you log in, or if let's say your username and password didn't match, it will display incorrect username or password. So let's log in into our Kapitan account. If my username and password is correct, we should go to Capital's dashboard where they can see their menu, where they can add and see their order summary and enter the customer's cash. So it will deduct and will display in their receipt.
Hi, I'm Aljicains Arpeneda, and I am from the group called the Bro Code. For today's video, I will be discussing the Kapitan dashboard, menu selection, add products, purchase history online. So let's start. So first, we can go to the dashboard, and as you can see, we have 88 sales. You can check our sales on dashboard. So 88 sales, total sales purchase is 4,150, sales online, and so on. So next, menu selection. So as you can see, we have the products green apple, honey peach, lychee, blueberry. So you can add the amount of cash uh, according to this order summary. So you can just put the cash here, for example, 40, and press OK. Confirm purchase. So let's move on. Add products. So we can select black coffee. Price is 87 pesos. Category is coffee. Product image. So unfortunately, I don't have the image for that black coffee. So let's try add product. So we can't add the product if we don't have the image. So let's move on. Purchase history. So this is the sales data of the purchase history of our database. So this is where you can see our sales without going to the shop. So they purchase this face to face and you are on online. So you can monitor the database online of the sales. So let's move on. Purchase history online. So you can check who or how many sales we have online. So item name is here on the here section and the size is here and so on. So thank you and we can press log out. Thank you. So here are our menus and available drinks. So I am Aljicains Arpeneda and this is Kapitan website. Thank you.